Lesson 6.3. This is just a continuation of the line of best fit. This entire Unit 6 is all about scatter plots and finding the line of best fit. So this is just a video for extra practice, okay? What I want you to do is I want you to look at this graph. You do not have to sketch the entire graph. I know that's a lot for you to do, okay? Cricket chirps versus the temperature. So this goes along with the last video that we just watched. Again, I have this y equals mx plus b. That's the first thing that we have to do, is we have to find the equation of this line. Which piece should we find first? Should we find m first or b first? We should find b, the y-intercept. And I want you to look at it. Now this doesn't quite hit 28, okay, but it's just below it. So for now, we're going to assume that that's 27, okay? So for that ordered pair, and for our b is 27. Okay, that's our y-intercept. That's where this line hits the y-axis. Again, I want you to write down that ordered pair because you're going to have to find m, and how many ordered pairs do you have to use to find m? Got to have 2. So let's use this one. He's easy. Okay? Alright, then we have to find another perfect intersection. So if you look along this line, none of these hit perfectly except for right here. There's a perfect intersection at 20, 91. So there's my 2 points. Can I now find the slope of this line? Of the line of best fit? Yes, I can. Okay? You're going to have your slope formula, so please make sure you write that down. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Take a minute, pause me. Stack your ordered pairs. You find the slope. Okay, there's your ordered pairs. 0, 27, 20, 91. Stack them and find the slope. See if we come up with the same number. I'm just going to show you the work. I did it all here. 91 minus 27, 20 minus 0, 64 over 20, and that simplifies to 16 over 5. Okay, this is our slope. I want you to leave it as an improper fraction for now. Okay? Doesn't have to be a decimal. You could. It doesn't make it wrong. Do we have m? Yes. Do we have b? Can we write the equation of the line of best fit? Yes, we can. Pause it and you do it. This is a video all about practice. There it is. Y equals 16 over 5x plus 27. Now we've done one together. There are 2 more examples. I want you to do the 2 examples by yourself. Please don't just sit there and copy down everything I say. That's no good. You have to pause it and do it. Here's the next one. A hot dog eating contest. Okay? We want you to write the equation of the line of best fit. Now, this data, if you notice, is very strongly correlated around this line of best fit. This last one, the data was kind of spread out and it was kind of far away from the line of best fit. This one is very close to that line of best fit, and we're gonna deal with that in our next video. Okay, I'll help you. Here's your y-intercept. This one does happen to start at 0, 0. And then let's get another ordered pair that is perfect. Okay, we got cut off there. All right, here's the other point that I used. 1, 4. That's a perfect intersection. You have all the pieces. I want you to pause it right now and try to write the equation of this line. You have b is equal to 0. Calculate slope. Pause it now and do that, please. Here's the 2 ordered pairs for slope. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Slope ends up being 4. Do we have m? Do we have b? Yes, we do. Let's write the equation of the line. And here is the equation of the line of best fit. Y equals 4x plus 0. That's the equation of this line of best fit. All right, last one. I'm just going to run through it. This one doesn't have the line. Okay? So you got to draw the line. Okay, that looks like it splits the data pretty evenly. Now you got to find the equation of that line. You have to find m, you have to find b. Which one should you start with, m or b? You should start with b. Okay? Right here at 0. These all have started at 0. You're not always going to be that lucky. Okay? 2 perfect ordered pairs. Looks like 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. Pause it, write the whole thing. B was 0, the slope was 1, you rise 1, you run 1. The equation of the line is this right here. Y equals 1x plus 0. And that's of the line of best fit. Now, this data is a little bit more sporadic along the line of best fit compared to this one where it was very tight. The data was right on top of that line. Okay, this one's a little bit more spread out, so you're probably not going to get as accurate of an answer. And we're going to deal with that in our next video about linear regression. Okay? If you need practice, please pause and do this again.